Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene. Now, this one promises to be good. I will be doing turmeric chicken or chicken in turmeric sauce, and I invite you to watch the video to the end. Please, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so now. If you are my loyal subscriber, thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I invite you to like the video. So I have pre-seasoned and marinated my chicken. So in a saucepan, in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, I've added a tablespoon of turmeric. Next, guys, I add in my chicken with all of the juices and the spices and niceness, guys. And then I add to that a tablespoon of turmeric. I then stir well, cover to cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it reduces and look just like this, people. It smell good, key and done. It's not ready as yet, guys. So I stir well so that I ensure my chicken is not stick to the bottom of my saucepan. I've added to that a cup of chicken stock. I'm going to cover this and allow to cook for about 15 minutes. I know you're enjoying the video because you've always been looking for an alternative to curry. So guys, you see how this look good? Next, I'm gonna add in all my chopped vegetables. I'm talking some potatoes. I'm talking about bell peppers. I am talking about some onion, some fresh thyme, guys. I allow this to cook down, guys, for about 5 minutes. And good. All of this goodness is just waiting on my palate. Guys, look at this. It is inviting, and I know that you'll try this next time when you are in your kitchen. Thank you so much for staying with me, and of course leave your comment, drop a like on the video. Sharing is caring, guys, so share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe, and of course turn on your post notification. I'm sorry, curry, but after today it's turmeric chicken all the way. Guys, I am not suggesting that you stop having curry. I'm just suggesting that you try this. It is much easier for me to digest, and I find it to be nice, smooth and delicious. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.